Today we're in Los Cristianos. We're in Castle Harbour, which is a really popular holiday complex. About a 10-minute walk down to the beach and probably a 20-minute walk back, but it's about €3 in a cab to come back up. The market's at the bottom of the road, so you know where we are, the market in Los Cristianos. 10-minute walk into town, something like that. And today we're looking at a studio apartment with this view off the terrace, out of the balcony. So let's have a look around. So we're just coming through the main door here, and then first of all we have the kitchen here on the right hand side. Straight down the hallway there out to the terrace, and then on the left hand side we've got the bathroom. And the toilet's just behind the door here. So back out into the hallway. Then we've got space here for 2 single beds. There's a sofa there as well, which is probably also a sofa bed, so probably okay for children. And then we've got a wardrobe there, television, and space for some chairs. There's also another wardrobe there. So out here onto the balcony, we've got a nice view of the pool, and then the sun rises from here in the morning. So we'll have sun here in the morning. You might recognise some of the restaurants over there. So that's our studio apartment in Castle Harbour, Los Cristianos. If you want more information about it, then go to tenerifepropertygroup.com, or you can email me at simonsg@tenerifepropertygroup.com. So that's me, Simon Sutton George at Tenerife Property Group. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.